From the moment we pulled in, there was this feeling that this place was going to become more than somewhere we spent a few nights. Sylvia introduced herself to the neighbors in her own way.
Are these carrots or apples?
I think it's apples. The children didn't need any introduction. Within minutes, they were already part of the farm.
It's not that deep. Keep walking. This is the deepest. You can make it.
And before the evening was over, life had slowed down to absolute bliss.